Today, we will talk about how to build business credit. Let's have a look at the details. Building business credit can benefit your small business in myriad ways. It can make it easier, or less expensive, to get certain types of financing, business insurance, or payment terms with suppliers. It can even help your business land lucrative business contracts. Here we share simple steps to establish and build business credit to help your small business grow. Step 1. Build your foundation. To effectively establish business credit, it helps to properly establish your business. If your business is new, take the time to set up your business so it appears professional to both clients and lenders. Get a business phone number and, if possible, get it listed in directory assistance. Get and use a professional email address. Choose and consistently use a business address, which can be P.O. Box or even your home address if you're just getting started. Step 2. Register your business. Most businesses should be officially registered with their state. If you formed a business entity such as an LLC or S-Corp in your state, you should have completed this step. Annual filings will likely be required. If you are operating as a sole proprietorship or independent contractor and have not registered your business, you can file a fictitious business name with your state. Step 3. Get a DUNS number. A DUNS number is your business identifier with the credit reporting agency Dun & Bradstreet. If your business doesn't already have one, you will want to request one. It's free. Credit Safe, Equifax, and Experian all have separate identifiers, but you don't have to initiate this type of request with them. Some business financial applications may require an employer identification number (EIN), and EINs may be reported to business credit reports. Step 4. Get accounts that report. The most important part of any credit report is information on how you've paid your bills. Past payment history is used to help predict how likely your business is to pay on time in the future. That means you need accounts that will report to business credit bureaus, and not all do. Ideally, you'll want to establish at least 2 to 3 accounts with companies that report. More can be helpful as your business grows. These may include suppliers and vendors, business loans and financing, credit builder accounts, and business credit cards. No lender or vendor is required to report to business credit, some do and some don't. Some may report to 1 or 2 of the major commercial credit bureaus, but not others. So, if your goal is to build business credit, you must choose accounts that report. Step 5. Open a business credit card. Opening a business credit card that reports to the major commercial credit reporting agencies is a great way to establish business credit. You can benefit from perks such as cashback or travel rewards, but you can also use one of these cards to build credit. If you don't qualify for a business credit card, you can skip this step but come back to it in the future when your personal credit history has improved. Step 6. Pay on time. Payment history is the most important factor for any type of credit score, especially so for business credit. Business credit reports use a term called Days Beyond Terms, DBT, that describes how many days beyond the due date a payment was made. Pay on time or early if you can, and you may build your business credit score more quickly. Step 7. Monitor your credit. Diligently monitoring your business credit history can help you monitor your progress as well as spot mistakes. If you do find an error, be sure to file a dispute with the credit bureau reporting the mistake. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.